Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kelpin Wahyudi from the Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineering Study Program 4th semester. Okay, in this video, I will explain what a screwdriver is and how to use a Phillips screwdriver to open a screw. The function of the screwdriver itself is to loosen or tighten screw on the body or other vessel component. There are two types of screwdriver, namely positive screwdriver and then negative screwdriver. Then how do we use a screwdriver properly and correctly to reduce the risks of screwdriver damage quickly? The following are the steps to use a Phillips screwdriver to open the screw according to the procedure. The following are the steps to use a Phillips screwdriver to open the screw according to the procedure. Look, this is a screwdriver and then this is a object. Okay, first, cause the size and types of Phillips screwdriver that match the gap. Because this is a screwdriver. And then second, hold the screwdriver with one hand and aim the screwdriver into the gap using the other hand. Okay, hold the screwdriver in an upright position with a screw. This is and later rotate the screwdriver to the left continuous to open or loosen the screw until the screw is released. Okay, like this. This is very easy. You can do it. Okay, my friend, already open. My friend, well, that's a short step. Open the screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Hopefully this video is useful for all of you. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Que ondas y pecho arriba, las manos, caballo moreno, pelea.